My name is Robert Gilling. I'm one of the owners of UVC Cleaning Systems, and I have with me here Pete Newman. There's a quantitative and a qualitative analysis. One of the ways we always do it is student absenteeism at 75%, and then the other is, staff reductions. Did you experience any of those prior to bringing our technology in?
Well, yeah, that's one of the purposes for my call to you and why my maintenance director told me about your company. We were dangerously close to not meeting that 75% threshold set by the state, which means you would lose funding for that day. We were, in fact, getting close and ready to close down because we didn't have enough teachers. Okay. There's a shortage, and then we didn't have 75% of our kids, or we're getting close to not having 75% of our kids. It made a dramatic improvement. I saw the power of the machines. It was a great presentation, and I believed in the technology. If it can be used in operating rooms and in doctor's offices, why can't it be used in schools? And I think that, again, we just kind of wait for flu season. You look at these things like they're weather fronts. It's coming. Sure. You tell your people to, arm themselves and make sure that they're taking good care of themselves, even back then we were talking about social distancing and making sure that their hands were clean, but there was nothing to prepare us for the pandemic.
Right. Tell me about, schedule of use and things like that.
Well, it was very easy to use and very easy to incorporate into our normal cleaning schedule, and it made them feel good. I mean, maintenance people care about keeping an environment clean. Sure. And they take it personally when we have an outbreak of a virus or flu like we did back in January of 2020. So the effectiveness was there right away. The ease of operation was there. The training was not an issue.
Sure.
And then, once we saw that, then we kind of got locked in. We said, why would we or any other school do without this kind of technology in the school environment?
I know that it's a great tool that you can utilize, and now we have technology so that you can be in the room at the same time as providing disinfection services, and that's all new within the past couple of years and then being proven as we speak today. But there's lots of different options of what you can use in these different towers and mobile options, and really just great tools that you can not get your hands off of. Let's put it that way.
You know what they used to say, Robert? They used to say the kids have to go through their seasoning, right? They have to go through their seasoning because we put them in very unhealthy, infectious environments, and we knew that they were going to get sick, and they had to just kind of go through it.
Yep.
Then they'd come home, they'd get their family members sick, they'd get grandma sick, they'd get mom and dad, brothers and sisters, everybody would get sick, and we would just kind of accept that reality. I don't think that we need to accept that reality. If it's being used in hospitals, in operating rooms, and it's hospital-grade equipment, why the heck aren't we using that for kids and eliminating that, all that time off that because kids take, if they're down with the flu, they're down for 2 weeks.
Yep.
They're gone for 2 weeks.
And as we know, classrooms are big, turnover times are really, really quick, and UVC is just another added benefit that can be used in that cleaning process. Well, I want to thank you for your time today and opportunities to meet with you and share some of this experiences. It's been great, and lots of more to come in the future.
You're doing great things with schools, and I look forward to working with you guys and advocating for you in the future.